In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Zendesk support. Whether you're bringing new team members on board, like agents or administrators, or adding end users, otherwise known as customers, this comprehensive guide will walk you through each step so you can manage your support system effortlessly. Let's start with adding team members, the people who will be handling the tickets and providing customer support. To perform this task, you'll need to have administrator privileges, so make sure that you have the right permissions before you begin. First, log into your Zendesk account and head straight to the Admin Center. From there, navigate to the People section. In this menu, you'll see an option for Team, and within that, select Team Members. Once you're in the right section, look for the Add Team Member button and go ahead and click it. This will present you with a form to fill out. You'll need to provide some essential information such as the new user's name and email address. Don't forget to specify their role. This could be either agent or admin, depending on their responsibilities within the team. You may also want to assign them to any specific groups or teams to keep your support structure well organized and efficient. After filling out the details, it's time to send that invitation. The new team member will receive an email with all the instructions they'll need to set up their account and log in for the first time. Once the account is created, you have an opportunity to set more detailed access and permissions for the new member. Simply go to the user's profile, find the Role and Access section, and make any necessary adjustments. It's worth noting that if you've reached the limit of agent seats allowed by your subscription plan, you'll need to add more seats before bringing in additional team members. Now let's move on to adding end users, or customers. End users are those submitting tickets, but don't require full access to the agent functionalities. Start by going to the Customers section in Zendesk and click on Add Customer. You'll be prompted to fill out a form. Just like with team members, enter the new customer's name and email address. Once all the information is inputted, click the Add button. This new customer is then automatically added to your customer list, making it simple for them to submit tickets in the future. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently add both team members and end users to your Zendesk support system. This process ensures that your support structure is not only robust, but also scalable, ready to tackle any customer inquiries that come your way. Whether you're expanding your team or welcoming new customers, following these steps will keep your operations running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in and happy supporting.